I used to sit at my desk for hours and still get nothing done. I'd try to study or work deeply, and 5 minutes later I'd be on YouTube or checking my phone without even realizing it. It felt like my brain was broken, like I couldn't focus no matter how hard I tried. So I built an AI deep work system designed to force focus and eliminate distraction, and the results were crazy. For the first time ever, I entered real flow state, worked for hours without stopping, and actually enjoyed it. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build the same system step by step using free tools. Most people think they can't focus because they're lazy or undisciplined. But the real problem is unstructured work plus unlimited distraction. If your brain doesn't know exactly what to do, and your environment allows escape, you'll choose distraction every time. Deep work isn't willpower. It's designing a system that makes distraction impossible and focus automatic. Step 1. One clear goal. First, instead of writing a long study list, I asked AI to define my one important work block for the day. Here is my study or work topic list. Choose the single highest impact task I should focus on today and break it into small steps that can be completed in a deep work block. Suddenly, instead of trying to do everything, I had one path. Open ChatGPT, paste your list, use the exact prompt. Choose one task only. Clarity kills procrastination. Step 2. Build a simple workflow board. I created a Trello board with just 3 columns. To focus, doing, deep work, done. I dragged only that one AI-selected task into doing. Seeing the task visually instead of in a long list removed anxiety and pressure. It felt like one mission, not a war. Create a Trello board. Add 3 columns, to focus, doing, done. Put only one card in doing. Simplicity equals execution. Step 3. Set deep work mode with Forest. Then I opened Forest and set a 50-minute timer, a longer, distraction-proof session. If I touched my phone, the tree died. Something about that tiny consequence was enough to stop me from breaking focus. At the end of the session, the tree grew, and so did momentum. Open Forest, set timer for 50 minutes. Put phone face down. Start the first tree. Begin. Do not negotiate. Step 4. Track real progress. After each session, I dragged the task card into Done and wrote a 1-sentence reflection. What progress did I make? The visual movement and reflection create motivation, reward, and clarity, the chemicals your brain really craves. Progress creates identity. I am someone who focuses. That's how habits become reality. After each session, write 1 sentence. What moved forward today? Then move the card into Done. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Before this system, I felt constantly distracted, overwhelmed, and guilty about not getting things done. After switching to AI-powered deep work blocks, I felt calm, focused, and in control. My brain finally learned how to enter flow instead of chasing dopamine. AI didn't give me motivation. It removed the friction that was blocking it. 1. Choose one important task using ChatGPT. 2. Build the 3-column workflow board. 3. Run a 50-minute Forest session. 4. Reflect and move the card to Done. Comment machine if you're starting today. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment machine below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.